Hi, who would not like to know about his potentials and use it at its best? Is called self actualization. I'm Dr. Samir Limbare, a psychologist and associate professor in psychology. Today we are going to know about what is self actualization and how we can discover ourselves. Self actualization was found in the theory of Abraham Maslow in psychology. It is called hierarchy of needs. Being a human, we have various needs. Some have lower order needs and some have higher order needs. It is seen that the lower order needs such as physiological, safety, love, and esteem needs are fulfilled, but the higher order needs are used by very few people. I also want to share that most of the people stuck up in fulfilling their lower order needs, and therefore we don't even think of reaching or fulfilling the high order needs. What we are learning today is the higher order need, that is self actualization. You can also see the shape of the pyramid. It suggests that the width of the base is more, which indicates more people fulfilling these needs. As it goes higher, the width reduces, which indicates less persons are satisfying or using these higher order needs. Let us understand what is self actualization. As the name suggests, self actualization means actualizing your potentials to become what you are capable of becoming. You come to know about your potentials either when you explore it or the other person exploits it, either forcefully or by giving you various opportunities. Self, and to understand our self actualization. First, perceive people correctly, that is, in whole and not in parts. Being objective is good and it helps you to understand the situation better. Always see the fact in the reality, in the situations and people around you. Learn to find or detect fake people and dishonesty. Accept yourself as you are, along with your strength and weakness. Try to increase your strength and reduce your weakness. Regarding others, accept them as they are. You cannot change them, but encourage them to change. We should be able to overcome our guilt and shame. There is life and opportunities beyond that also. Self actualized people are spontaneous, very simple, and original, minus all the artificialness. Self actualized people focus on problem solving, not on ego. They let their ego go. The speciality of self actualized people is they are good at emotional intelligence, controlling and managing emotions in their misfortunes too. Self actualized is having more of autonomy to self than to others. They are self directed, self disciplined. Seventh, self actualized people appreciate small, trivial, ordinary deeds and things, and they live life at the optimum. They are open to experiences. Remember this word ocean. O indicates open to different, diverse, innovative experiences. C, conscientiousness, developing wisdom through ups and downs of life. Extraversion or extrovert. These people talk, express, indulge in people, participate in activities, and discuss their problems. A for agreeableness. These people try to listen, accept, and respect other people also. N is not related, therefore, we are not mentioning it now. Self actualized people experience, tolerate, accept, learn from high relaxation as well as high tension. No need to take such experiences by ourselves, but we also learn from others' experiences through books or through intellectual endeavors. The self-actualized people are genuine helpers. They have compassion and sympathy for people. Self-actualized have very few friends. They are very close to them. Is a very kind behavior and occasionally very harsh. They keep a democratic approach and are free from prejudices, ready to learn from anybody and respect to all. Self-actualized are sorted, clear and planned. Very few times they are confused, therefore have less conflict. They know their means of accomplishing their goals. Self-actualized try to be creative and innovative in his approach and thinking. Last, saying no. Self-actualized person know when to say no whenever you are overburdened with work, which is also necessary because it increases or encourages your intuition and confidence. This is all, friends, which I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked it, and if you did, kindly like, share and subscribe with your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you. Meet you again in the next video. Bye.